This song is for Elena and Bianca. It's been a while since y'all requested it, and I just thought I'd do y'all request. So hope you guys like it. Sweet love, yeah. I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. Should've held on tight, I never should've let you go. I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish, I was lying to myself. I couldn't fathom would I ever feel without your love. Never imagined I'd be sitting here by myself. You didn't know you 'cause you didn't know me, but I knew everything. I never felt the feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear your voice. Or how can touch and kiss your lips 'cause I don't have a choice. Or what I wouldn't give to have you lying by my side right here. 'Cause baby, when you left I lost a part of me. It feels so hard to believe. Come back, baby, because we belong together. What am I gonna need when times get rough? Who else am I gonna talk to when time comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody better. Oh, baby, baby, we belong together. Hope you guys like it. Rate, subscribe, and leave comments.